Welcome to this bonus lesson about factorising. There's going to be 3 sets of 3 questions. This is the first set of 3. Pause the video, have a go in your own time. I'm going to write out the answers. They've both got a 12 in common. Then we need an x and 1 because 12 times 1 is 1. This one's got it's got a 3 in common, which means that last bit's going to clearly be 1 because 1 times 3 is 1. And this we need a 4, and then obviously we still need a y. Q and P are different. The only thing they've got in common is a 2, which means that's 6q, because times that by t you get 12q, and then p, because times that by t you get 2p. Let's do the next set of 3. Factorise. I didn't really need to write that out again, did I? But anyway. So I'm writing out 3 more, then you can pause the video, have a go in your own time. Okay. Welcome back. They both got an x. And then x times x is x squared. What times x makes x? Well, 1. 1 times x makes 1. They both got an x, and this time the first one needs a y, and the second one is again a 1. This time, only one of them's got an x. Which is the smaller of the two numbers? 11. Is the other a multiple of 11? It is. Okay, that works. That's kind of where my thinking was in my head. And 2 times 11 makes 22. I've ended up writing the word factorise again, I'm not quite sure why. Okay, 5a plus 10b. Have a go in your own time. The first one, yep, the smallest of the two numbers works because it is a multiple of the other one. Sometimes you have to go lower. 5 times 2b. Okay, the next one, they've both got a b, they've both got a c. Yep, that's it. I had to kind of work through that one twice just to be sure. Have they got an a? No. Have they got a b? Yeah, they both got a b. So that's a plus d. I didn't do any not possibles there, did I? That's probably a mistake. Doesn't matter. Okay. Good work. See you in the next video.